Days before Zimbabwe was free, its greatest general was dead. No battle, no enemy bullet, just a road in Mozambique. This is Josiah Tongogara, the military genius who forged Zimbabwe's liberation army, and his story may be the most important one never told. Was he assassinated? Did his own allies fear him? And could he have stopped Zimbabwe's darkest chapter before it even began? Born 1940 in Gandanzara, Rhodesia, a cattle herder's son. The land around him was stolen. The rules said he didn't matter. He disagreed. By the 1960s, Ian Smith's Rhodesia was tightening its grip. ZANU was born, and Tongogara, trained in China and Egypt, was ready. He didn't just fight. He built an army. From scattered rebels to a 40,000-strong fighting force. The Zimbabwe African National Liberation Army was his creation. His strategy was surgical. He pushed ZANLA deep into Rhodesia's heartland. Ian Smith's forces were stretched thin. Victory was becoming inevitable. Here is what shocks most people. Tongogara, a ZANU commander, deeply respected Joshua Nkomo of ZAPU. He pushed for a patriotic front, one united army. 1979, the Lancaster House Agreement. Zimbabwe's independence was signed. Tongogara stood at the table as a conqueror, not by war, but by will. At Lancaster House, Tongogara made a stunning declaration. He called for forgiveness of all enemies. He warned, without unity, Zimbabwe would destroy itself. December 26, 1979. Tongogara leaves a Mozambican conference. His car hits another vehicle on a dark road. He never arrives. The other driver was uninjured. The road was straight. No weather. No mechanical failure confirmed. The questions have never been answered. 3 years after his death, the Gukurahundi massacres began. Ndebele civilians slaughtered. The unity Tongogara fought for shattered. Could he have stopped it? But hear this. No enemy killed Josiah Tongogara. No prison held him. He built a nation with bare hands. That cannot be erased. Ever. Today, Zimbabwe's schoolbooks barely mention him. But the people remember. His face is painted on walls. His name lives in the villages he fought to free. If Tongogara had lived, would Gukurahundi have happened? Tell me what you think in the comments. This debate belongs to us. If his story moved you, subscribe. Because at Legends of Africa, we don't wait for others to tell our stories. We tell them ourselves.